Hey, we're in the city of brotherly love, and when in the city of brotherly love, you have to come and get steak sandwiches, right? At either Pat's or over there at Geno's. And we're gonna go look at both of them and probably put them head to head against each other. I think that's what everybody does, right? Head to head. All right, so what do you think is going to be better, Pat's or Geno's?
I don't know how either one of them make them, so this is completely like just out of the dark, but I'm gonna go with Pat's.
Okay, and now I'm thinking Geno has the best one.
Can we go with Pat's? So let's see who's right.
Let's go check out Pat's. Now let's go check out Geno.
Okay. Are we going to check them out before we order?
By the way, ATM's right across the street. Now who's... I don't know about that.
I want peppers and onions on mine. So this one looks fresher. Look at me.
No, it looks the same. With or without onions? Okay, I'm a with guy.
Yeah.
You could have cheese whiz, provolone, American cheese, or pizza. Pizza steak? Have your money ready. Oh, no cards. I gotta go get some cash.
Mine's better here.
Okay, let's open these up and see what they look like. This is the Pat's, and this has American cheese on it.
That's Pat's, and this is Geno.
And this is Geno's.
With cheese whiz. If you need it, have to cut them in half.
Yes, we do. Or we could just bite them in half.
No, I'll be right back. Let me go get a knife.
They both have thin meat. The cheese whiz that goes on the inside real nice. I didn't think I'd like one with cheese whiz, but I think this is going to be good. This one has onions. I didn't get onion. Oh yeah, I did. Okay. And they asked me why I didn't get Pat's French fries when I was over there. So because I was going to buy fries at Geno's. I don't know what the difference is, but the lady at Geno's seemed to think that the fries are better over at Pat's. These are good fries. Okay, so this is Pat's. This is Geno's.
Yeah, this is Geno.
This is Geno's.
This is Geno.
Right.
Right.
Oh man, that cheese whiz is really good.
So let me try it. Okay, first time for cheese whiz. And I have to tell y'all, I really didn't want to try this one.
In California, she told me no whiz, no whiz.
Yeah, but now I'm changing my mind. Got one in Philly, two in Philly.
That's what I was saying.
Ah, so good.
Isn't it good?
You know what is it? It's just like grilled, like American cheese. It's grilled cheese, y'all. It's not pasta cheese. Very good.
This has a great taste. The bun's really good.
Yeah, the bun's
It's soft.
good.
It's soft. It's
But
got.
they grilled it.
Yeah, it was grilled ahead of time, but it's really good tasting.
So let's try the other one.
In fact, I want to keep eating this one.
Well, let's try this one now.
Okay.
You try it first.
This is Pat's.
Okay, I'm gonna do that. It's right here too. the cheese on that. I'll take the cheese whiz. Can't believe I'm saying that. I don't like it.
Okay.
This is Pat's. I don't like Pat's. I like
No, Pat's
cheese.
is good. Pat's is really good. It's the same thing. It's got a nice bun.
But it's not.
Grilled. It doesn't have the flavor though that Geno's does.
Does not have the flavor Geno's have at all. Even without cheese. I don't like that. Geno's okay. Geno's one for me.
Yeah. Geno's wins. So, Geno's, thank you for putting out a good product. And if you're ever in Philly, come by here and do what we did. Try them both. You gotta try them both. Hey, stay tuned. More videos coming. Subscribe, go down, like, all that stuff. Support us. Cheesesteak. Hands down, this is the best place. Get a Philly cheesesteak if you're picking between the two. Now, of course, there's always those places that make great Philly cheesesteak sandwiches, even in California. But I have to admit, this thing was awful good. Geno's, not Pat's, not Pat's. Okay, I'm gonna say it 3 times. Not Pat's. Geno's. Yeah, Geno's. It's the end of a 10-day trip. The only thing I could think of is before leaving Philly, I had to get one more of these Geno steak sandwiches. Wow. Now let's see what kind of gear they have. There we go. Hey, good. How are you? Look at that bike. What a pretty bike. I need some shirts and stuff.
Just so you guys know, we do have our pink t-shirts on sale for $10, and same thing with our women's V-necks, and our regular shirts are $15.
I'll take a white extra large. No. Scratch that. I'll take the black extra large. I wear black all the time anyway. So, we got our cheesesteaks, we got our merchandise, and we got to get on a plane. I'm so tempted to take a couple of those steaks on the plane and take them home, but
Be soggy.
yeah.
And it's a 5-hour flight.
Yeah, no. We won't be home for 6 hours.
I don't think it'd be great.
So we'll have to see how hers does. She brought a half. I don't think it's going to make it though. Yeah, I don't think it's going to make it.
I'll bring it in case I want to eat it in the airport.
Yeah. Or if I want to eat it in the airport.
Or if you want to eat it in the airport.